myEquifax app. Start your credit journey. Centralized credit score, account status, and product features. Monitor your Equifax credit report and score. Create custom credit score goals and watch your financial progress. Track progress towards your goal. Upgrade to receive a score from all three major credit bureaus. Upgrade to receive alerts if your information is detected on the dark web. Celebrate hard work when you meet your goal. Learn how your credit works from the Knowledge Center. And then, yeah, just get your Equifax credit report and credit score updates at no cost with a free account. It's quick and easy, no credit card required to sign up. Check your Equifax credit report for monthly updates. Checking your credit doesn't hurt your credit score. Get monthly One Bureau credit score updates and track your score progress over time. And there is Premier subscription, so yeah, then you can just go and just double click to install the app. And here you have it. And then yeah, you can just open it up and then join for free in here. So just tap continue and start creating an account. So that's what it is.